Throughout time, grip has helped us succeed, making us the dominant species by giving us access to tools. In fabrication, not having enough grip can spell disaster, such as having your part move slightly, resulting in an unwanted cut or an ill-placed weld. With grip being such an important factor in fabrication, why are we still using such outdated and underperforming clamps? Well, our top engineer has decided to take a break from designing things like rockets and lasers to design a clamp that delivers the grip that you deserve. Our engineer and founder created the Dimide Clamp. This is a clamp unlike anything before. This is a clamp that's tightened not with one of those toothpick-sized handles, but instead with a tool that delivers so much speed and torque that the other clamps shiver at the thought of it. Watch, as the Dimide clamp is effortlessly tightened to over 4,000 pounds of load, while the competitor struggles to only tighten to about 1,700 pounds. With all this power, the Dimide clamp opens a new horizon of possibilities. Whether you want to catch a ride on a forklift, close a stubborn weld gap, or crush some Pac-Man ghosts, the Dimide clamp is the tool that you need to get the job done.